Location tracking is a very serious issue, especially if you use the internet a lot. It's important these days to change your location as it protects your privacy and your real location. I personally change my location always for many reasons, and this is why I'm gonna show you how I do that safely. This method allows me to set any fake location I want as my default location. Neither Android nor iPhone provides an easy way for users to change their location. Third-party tools like iAnyGo offer easy location spoofing for all devices. This is one of the most popular tools for safe Pokémon Go spoofing and location spoofing. While there are plenty of apps that change your location, they are not as effective as Tenorshare iAnyGo. With more than 90% satisfied customer reviews, iAnyGo is one of the most trusted and highly rated spoofers on Trustpilot. Users also share positive responses about the software and apps on other social media platforms. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to download, install, and how to use Tenorshare iAnyGo software. First, go to the official website of Tenorshare iAnyGo, and as you see, this is the software. Tenorshare iAnyGo is fully compatible with the latest iOS 26 and Android 16. It's a good software for spoofing your location, and it works on both Android and iOS without jailbreak or root. Enjoy flying in original game, no error 12, or location-based apps suitable such as Pokémon Go, WhatsApp, Facebook, and more. 360-degree GPS joystick to create the shortest route instantly. And the best thing is that you can try iAnyGo free for 3 hours and use the 5 modes like scan, gym, route, and more. If you scroll down here, you will see some of the software features and how to use it. So let's go ahead and download it. iAnyGo software also works on Windows, so if you are using Windows, it's not a big deal. Since I'm using macOS, so I will download macOS version. The software is now downloading. Just wait for it to finish downloading. Okay, the download has finished. After downloading it, just go ahead and open the file to install iAnyGo software. Now just move it to apps folder. Once installed, go ahead and open it. And as you see, this is the software and this is the main interface. With Tenorshare iAnyGo, you can choose any location you want and designate it as your default location. This is some of the software features. It includes single spot mode, multi-spot mode, joystick mode, and jump teleport mode. Now hit enter. Here select your device. It supports both Android and iOS. Just go ahead and connect your device to your Mac. If you are using an iOS device, you can connect it via Wi-Fi without USB cable, but I recommend you to use USB cable for better connection. I will connect my device, and as you see, my device is now connected. Hit next. Here select which simulation mode you want to use, game mode or general mode. The game mode suitable for specific location-based games such as Pokémon Go, Monster Hunter Now, and others, and the general mode suitable for most social apps and location-based games. I will select general mode. The software now will show you your current location. I will use screen sharing to show my iOS device on my Mac. Okay, this is my device, this is my current location, and now I'm gonna show you how to change it. Okay, here at the top you can select which feature you wanna use. I will use teleport mode to change my location. Okay, to change your location, just select the location you want on the map, then click start modifying. Once I click start modifying, the location will change immediately, as you will see. And boom, that's it. The location has been changed. It's that simple. Okay, I will change it again. So let's select this location. As you see, it changed immediately. And that's it. Pretty simple and easy to use. You can change it as many times as you want. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to spoof your location in Pokémon Go while spoofing your location on any iOS device. iAnyGo software is a professional location spoofer that makes it super easy to fake your current location in Pokémon Go and pretend to be somewhere else. So this is Pokémon Go. Now I will change my location. Just select any location and the software will do the job as you see. So it's very simple to change your location in Pokémon Go. That's not all. iAnyGo also provides more features like multi-spot mode, which can let the GPS location on iOS devices move along the customized route at a specific speed. Also joystick mode, which allows you to freely mock location direction when playing games using GPS joystick. And also jump teleport mode, which can plan and mark locations in advance, then jump directly to that places without moving. iAnyGo utilizes proven methods and techniques to ensure safe location spoofing on Android, iPhone, macOS, and Windows devices. To maintain a secure experience, it's important to use the spoofing features responsibly. While iAnyGo is generally safe for use across devices, it's crucial to exercise caution. If you are new to iAnyGo Pokemon Go Spoofer, installing iAnyGo app and desktop version is quite simple. iAnyGo is all-in-one software. You can download it and try it for free from the download link below this video. So go ahead and try it now. You will find the download link in the description below this video. And as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.